Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about gloves. I got new ones and I got old ones. So these ones were bought at Whistler 3 winters ago, I think, or 2, and basically, when my Arc'teryx gloves completely disintegrated and were soaked, I needed to buy something. So I bought these. These are North Face Gore-Tex $130 gloves. And honestly, these are pretty good. The only problem is now is I have some Gorilla Tape where it kind of wore out. So, but you know what? I can't complain. I certainly got my money's worth out of them, and I might still use them because there's not that much wrong with them, except for spots with tape. And that is only on the right one, and then it's starting to wear thin on the thumb here. But anyways, that is my BlackDiamond glove, or my North Face gloves, and I don't know what model they are or anything. So, to replace them, I have bought these BlackDiamond guide gloves with the classic tan leather. So I haven't done anything with these. I haven't undone anything, or so today is the day, because I will be skiing with them in a couple of days. So they do come with some leather wax, some NIKWAX. So I also have a big one, a big NIKWAX here, because this is not very much material. And these were 195 bucks Canadian. So they better be good. The guide is the warmest professional grade ski glove and offers the optimal balance of dexterity, durability, and insulation for hard duty and super cold days. Well, it's kind of what all the patrollers wear, so we'll see. Anyways, they are definitely nice. Just saying. They are, and they're Gore-Tex, and yes, these are going to be nice. So this is NIKWAX, wax for leather. Waterproofs, maintains support and breathability. So how do we do it? Rub thoroughly into wet or dry. Clean leather using your fingers, paying special attention to the seams. Remove any excess with the cloth, buff to a shine. Alright, so these are new. These are my... What are these ones? These are BlackDiamond as well. So these are my light duty gloves. So these are like, I use these a lot for skinning up, or just on warm days, like anything above 0, basically. These are great. So I only think I did them once last year. I'm just gonna plop some on here, like so, and then just rub it in. I'm just gonna rub it in. Yeah, your hands get gross doing this, but this stuff does work. So if you haven't done this to your leather gloves, this costs 12 bucks. And it is like very good. So do that one. Do this one. Yeah, so you just rub it all in there. Plus it also maintains the subtleness of your gloves, keeps them from getting stiff. And then I'm just going to take a cloth, paper towel. And that's it. One pair done. All right, so let's do the new ones. Same thing. Squirt some on here. Get it on all the leather parts. So yeah, rub it all in. I don't think you need to do too much, but you know, like, just like that is a lot. So if you can see how much that is, it's just like a dollop. Rub it all in. Just rub it on the leather parts. I don't think it works on the nylon or the Cordura that's there. I think I need a bit more here. So it definitely changed the color a bit to a bit darker, which I'm okay with. I'm just going to put a bit more, rub that in. Yeah, they definitely got a bit darker. But the tan just looks like a nice, maybe a nicer brown color now. All right, and then just same thing, just give it a little buff here. So just a little buff. And there we go, we're good to go. Hey guys, if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of these Black Diamond guide gloves. Maybe you have some and you have great experience with them, or maybe you have some and you absolutely hate them. Either way, I'd like to know. And we'll see you on the next one. All right, so these gloves, I gotta say, it's been kind of like on and off, rainy, sort of wet, and my hands are warm. They're dry. And yeah, I kind of like them. Good purchase.